but hi, we know each other for a long time. I wanna work about you, your daily routine. Where do
Hi,
you every
yes,
day?
yes. Hi, every day I wake up at 6 o'clock and I take a shower. Then I have breakfast and I study. I don't go to work.
Do you study every day?
No, I don't study every day. I study on weekends and I do housework during the week.
What time do you go to work?
I go to university at 7 o'clock. I start my class at 8:30.
When do you exercise?
I take a break and I exercise. In the afternoon at 4 o'clock, I play soccer.
Where do you have breakfast?
I had breakfast at home. Sometimes I read a book in the university cafeteria. Now I ask you, what do you do every day?
I am wake up at 6 o'clock a.m. and I make my bed. Then I have breakfast and check my emails.
Do you play sport every day?
No, I don't play sports every day.
When do you do your housework?
I do my homework at 5:30 after lunch.
What day do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11:30 p.m. so I wake up early every day.
That's good. You had a good routine.
Yes, and you have a busy routine too. See you later.
Goodbye.